You know, when that summer heat hits, we all reach for something to cool us down. But what if your go-to drink could do, well, a lot more than just that? What if it could actually hydrate you, give you a clean boost of energy, and taste absolutely amazing? Well, today we're diving into a recipe that does it all. I mean, it's that time of year again, isn't it? We're all on that hunt for the perfect summer drink. Something that goes beyond just being cold. One that genuinely tackles your thirst and leaves you feeling, well, great. Yeah, we're looking for that perfect combo, right? Something refreshing, something that gives you a natural little lift, and it's got to be made with ingredients you can feel really good about. Well, I think that search is about to end because we're going to break down a recipe that checks every single one of those boxes. So, what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's not really a secret. It all comes down to a few powerhouse ingredients that just work together perfectly. So, let's get into what makes this drink so special and effective. Okay, so here's the lineup. We've got coconut water, fresh pineapple juice, fresh orange juice, some raw honey, and fresh mint leaves. It might sound simple, but believe me, the way these all work together, that's where the magic really happens. Let's start with the foundation of this drink, the coconut water. It is absolutely loaded with electrolytes. Now, these are just natural salts and minerals that your body sweats out. They're so important for rehydration and for helping your muscles work properly. It's why this drink is just fantastic after a workout or even just after a long, hot day. You're getting all that good hydration without any of the weird artificial stuff you find in most sports drinks. And next up, we have the pineapple and orange juices. Now, using fresh squeezed juice here makes a huge difference. You're getting a serious dose of natural vitamins, especially that immune-boosting vitamin C, with zero added sugars, just pure natural goodness. Okay, so let's talk about the sweet stuff. Instead of using refined sugar, which, always leads to that inevitable crash later, this recipe uses raw honey. The source material calls this a clean, energizing boost, and that's exactly what it is. It's a natural, sustained energy that just pairs so perfectly with those bright citrus flavors. All right, so you know why it works. Let's get to the really fun part, actually making it. And I promise you, this is so incredibly simple, it's probably going to become your new 5-minute go-to. So here's what you're going to need to make about 2 servings. The base is 2 cups of coconut water. To that, you'll add a half cup of pineapple juice, a quarter cup of orange juice, a tablespoon of lime for that extra kick, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. You can totally adjust that to how sweet you like it. And of course, don't forget the fresh mint. And making it? Oh, it couldn't be any easier. First, just combine your coconut water and all those fruit juices. Then, stir in your honey until it's all dissolved. Now for the mint. You're going to want to gently crush the leaves in your hand first. That releases all those amazing aromatic oils before you toss them in. Finally, just pour everything over a glass full of ice, and if you're feeling fancy, add a little drizzle of honey on top and a mint sprig. And hey, here's a fantastic little pro tip from the source to make things even smoother. If your honey is a bit thick, just mix it with a tiny bit of warm water first. It basically creates a simple syrup that will blend instantly into the cold drink, so you get a perfectly smooth mix every time. The best part of any great recipe is finding ways to make it your own. So think of this as your starting point, a blank canvas just waiting for your personal spin. Let's look at a few ways you can customize it. You can take this basic recipe in so many cool directions. For an extra hydration kick after a really tough workout, add a tiny pinch of sea salt for even more electrolytes. Or you can turn it into a full-on recovery shake by blending in a scoop of vanilla protein. Want a sophisticated mocktail? Just top it with some soda water for a fizzy spritzer. Or on those super hot days, toss everything in a blender with ice for an amazing slushie. So what's the big takeaway here? This is way more than just a recipe for a tasty drink. It's really a simple, super effective upgrade to your whole summer wellness game. So let's just recap the highlights real quick. You get way better hydration thanks to those natural electrolytes, you get a boost of vitamins from the fresh juice, and you get clean energy that's perfect for recovery. And on top of all that, it's just effortlessly delicious. It's light, it's crisp, and it's ready in about 5 minutes. It's the perfect thing whether you're just chilling by yourself or hosting a get-together. So now, the only real question left is how are you going to make it your own? This recipe is the perfect starting point to experiment. So, what's your signature twist going to be?